So this lesson is all about the law of cosines. The law of cosines can be used to solve triangles. So the law of cosines for triangle ABC, you can see what the formulas look like here. Now these are used for either side, side, side situations or side, angle, side. So the way the formulas are written now, this is the side, angle, side situation. So B and C, those would be your given sides, and A would be the included angle. And the output would be the third side, and then you use that third side in the law of sines to solve the rest of the triangle. All these are different forms just based on whatever's given, but really all it is it's the two sides and the included angle, and then the output is the third side. If you're given side, 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 that would be all these sides here, A, B, and C, and A and C again here. The output would be the angle B. That's what you're trying to solve for. So the side, side, side situation is a little more tricky in terms of the algebra because you have to solve for cosine B and then do the inverse cosine to solve for angle B measure. So let me just do a quick example here. Let's say this is 7 and 10, and this is a 62-degree angle. This is a side, angle, side. You would be solving for this other side B. So you would have B squared equals 7 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 7 times 10 times the cosine of 62 degrees. Okay, and then you would just work all this out and you get B squared, take the square root, and that gives you the side length of the triangle. So that's the side, angle, side situation. Let's say you're going to do side, 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 so we'll get rid of this. So let's say this B is 13. Here's what you would do. Okay, well first you need to decide which angle you're going to solve for. I'm going to solve for, let's say, this angle A, which is opposite of the 7. So that means the 7 is going to be isolated. It's going to be 7 squared equals 10 squared plus 13 squared minus 2 times 10 times 13 times the cosine of angle A, which we don't know. So it's important to note that this and this go together. The side and the angle and the cosine have to be opposite each other for this law of cosines to work. So then you just do the steps from here, solve for cosine A, and then do inverse cosine to solve for the measure of angle A. Then you would use the law of sines to solve the rest of the triangle. So that's law of cosines, and that's the big picture.